Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you through how to change your TikTok cover or thumbnail after posting the video. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Unfortunately, you cannot change your TikTok cover photos after posting the video, but instead what you can do is go to your TikTok application first. Once you're in, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner, which will open your profile. Now, in order to change the TikTok cover or thumbnail in one of your videos, simply tap open the video, and what you'll need to do is first delete the video from your TikTok. Tap on the three dots at the bottom of the screen, swipe to the left and tap on delete. Confirm the deletion by tapping on delete one more time, and once the video has been deleted, go to the plus sign at the bottom and tap it on. Now, select the video one more time and upload it on your TikTok again. Tap on the upload button at the bottom right, select the video from your gallery. Tap on the next button after you're done, which is located at the bottom right. Now, once you do that, tap on the next button at the upper right corner in order to upload your video. If you want to change your sounds and add any effects to your video, simply go to the bottom and select from the menu. If you want to make any kind of a change, then now is the time. Simply go ahead and do it. After you're done, tap on the next button at the bottom right one more time, and before posting it, tap on select cover. Now you can see that there's a preview for your video. Simply select the cover you want to use. Once you do that, you can even add a text from the options displayed at the bottom if you want. If not, simply move on and tap on the save button at the upper right corner. Now you can see that your cover or your thumbnail has been changed. Now go ahead and simply post your video by tapping on post, but you can describe your video, add hashtags and tag your friends if you want before posting the video on your TikTok. After you're done with all of your settings, tap on the post button at the bottom right, which is highlighted in red. And just like that, you'll be able to change your TikTok cover or your thumbnail easily. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.